Rainforest Cafe. Emily, can you say hi, Mimi? This is our last dinner before we leave Disneyland. We got the waterfall in here, it's really nice. We have got, look around here, you see all the plants and stuff like that. All the plants. We got Macy and them talking. We have got people eating, enjoying themselves. Emily! Look, baby! Look!
Darren, you stop to get your frog talk because my grand guy just called and left him a message and I can't even pick up the message.
We have got all this stuff over here. We got
You can see the big screen TV from here.
You can't, I can't see it. What's the score say? Do you know?
I can't see it. I'm in it.
Oh, what? Oh, nothing. I'm still recording it. They did. It was a moose. They sure did now.
This cafe is inside the Disney.
Yeah, this cafe is an inside huge cafe. Really
it's
big.
Huge. It's inside outside, but it's in Disneyland.
It's in Disneyland. It's a real nice cafe.
It rains at everyone's table.
Yeah, it rains at everyone's table.
You know what? It's so blurry. Even they can't see the TV.
Oh, really? Wow. That's fine.
I can see their faces. I just can't see the store.
Yeah.
But I'll keep my eye open.
Okay. Well, this is the place. I want to see it rain on here.
Well, we're definitely not going to get cold.
No, that's for sure. Animals in here. See, you zooming in here. Yeah.
That's how she. The first time we were here, we were all trying to go to sleep. She's like, nailed, Nina.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Then we have a good time here. But and Emily, she's over here coloring something, coloring up a store thing here.
A 1-year-old. He's got a crayon as well as she does. The hand and eye coordination is very good.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a nice video here. We're signing out. And this is our trip. Our trip.
St. Louis 5, Texas 2.
Good, thank God. That's awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you. But, okay guys, I'm signing out. That was our day. We had so much fun today. Do you have any last words, Macy?
Peace.
Okay, me. Alright.